Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a super exciting video. This is the Birds Fly Studio monthly nest planner subscription box. This is my first time ever placing an order with Birds Fly Studio, so I figured what the hell, I'll go all out and get the subscription box. Now I eye up her store on Etsy and I love her stickers and have been dying to try her sticker sheets. So, yeah. So when I saw in our Go Wild group, for everybody who went Go Wild, she was one of them, and she was talking about her monthly nest. So I'm like, I got to try this. I am going to be doing a unboxing today of this beautiful monthly nest by Birds Fly Studio. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it, and hit that little bell icon to turn on notifications for future video updates. Okay, so it came in a white box, like a white standard, but like a thicker mailing box. And inside the box was this beautiful robin's egg color tissue paper with the monthly nest. It's called the monthly nest. If you're interested in it, I will link it down below. It's not on her normal Etsy shop where she runs her shop. There is a website exclusively for this monthly nest. And the website is monthly-nest.birdflystudios.com. Okay, so as you open this package, you have the beautiful robin's egg color tissue paper with the monthly nest sticker. Again, this is a surprise box, so you don't know what is in here until you actually get it, which I love. Okay, so you got this cute watermelon roll of washi tape. How cute is that? And then you have the monthly nest June 2018 subscription box, and it tells you the contents of the box. Okay, so you have, I am like obsessed with Flair ever since Go Wild. You have this adorable ice cream cone enamel pin. And then you got these super cute die cuts. You also, look how cute this sticky notepad is, you guys. And it has a cute little quote on it. How adorable is that? And then you get a whole sticker kit. I'm pretty sure this was maybe $20 or under. So that is a great price. I know enamel pins alone can be expensive. I know like on aaroncondren.com, a 3-pack is 18 bucks. And then you get a full kit, and I have been dying to try her stickers. So let me just get the tissue out of the way so we can see it better. Put this off to the side. This is my first month subscribing, and it definitely will not be my last, because I absolutely adore sticker kits, for one, because I love everything cohesive when I decorate my weeklies in my Aaron Condren Life Planner. And I love just the little die cuts and the little extras. So you have a sheet of full boxes. You have a sheet of rounded half boxes with some rounded quarter boxes at the bottom. Then on the third sheet, you have today to do, little things, reminders, work, shop, spending, don't forget, urgent, next week. Then you have 4 adorable full boxes with the whole summer fruit theme, which I absolutely love. Okay, so that was 3 sheets so far. Getting on to the 4th sheet. We have these adorable habit trackers. There's 8 of them. I love that. I love the clothesline. Quarter box heart headers. You can use them as headers or whatever your heart desires. And then you have these adorable water trackers with the little water drop Monday through Sunday. And then you have the big Erin Condren washi tape. Now, when you order this kit, it's a reoccurring payment, which is good. I like that because I know a lot of times I'll forget. You can also pick what kind of planner you use. Either Erin Condren, Happy Planner, and there's a couple other options, which I also like that too because it's personalized. Like for me, I use an Erin Condren vertical, so I love these kind of washi strips for the bottom. And then you have this adorable double box with the ice cream cone and this cute little round sticker and these little flags and these skinny long flags. Okay, now this is number 6. I mean, this is a lot of stickers for, I believe it was under $20. I will definitely look it up and link that in the comments below. But I highly suggest you check it out. You can join at any time, but you have to join before a certain date, and it's mailed out in the beginning of the month. So basically what you do is you sign up for the monthly nest, and then your subscription will start the following month. So these are the Monday through Sunday day headers. I love these. I just love cohesive full kits. And if anybody watching hasn't ever checked out Birds Fly Studio on Etsy, I highly suggest you do. She has an adorable selection of stickers ranging anywhere from bullet journaling, Erin Condren, traveler's notebooks, doodles, personal rings. She has all kinds of stuff. And her stickers are adorable, especially her bullet journal and stickers. They're functional and simple, black and white, and they're very, very easy to use as trackers if you suck at drawing like me. So yes, so these are the Monday through Sunday, and then you have the 1st through the 31st, and then you got these 4 heart straight down checklists. You have your weekend banner, and I actually absolutely love these. These are just like a little box you could put like to clean, blog, YouTube, and just write things in for that. Okay, so on to sheet 7. This is just decorative stickers to go with the pattern of the kit. I love putting these in the corners of my Erin Condren, maybe in the box, the blank box in the sidebar. These are very cute. The popsicles, the watermelons, the ice cream cone, the palm leaves, the lemonade. These are just so cute. Okay, so now on to number 8. These are just the full lined check boxes with hearts. I love these because I write a lot of like cleaning and so on and so forth. So there you have it. This was the Birds Fly Studio monthly nest kit. Again, if you are interested in subscribing, you can cancel at any time as long as it's before, shipment, obviously. I will link that down below. And also, I will link her Etsy shop down below if you want to check out her stickers. But this was an awesome value, and I am in love. So I will be ordering this kit for many, many months to come. So stay tuned for other monthly nest videos. I will unbox them every month as I get them. And that's about it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and turn on that little bell notification icon so you can get future videos from me. I'll talk to you again soon.